Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have WhatsApp open and you want the split screen gone now. First, identify whether you're on Android or iPhone because the removal method differs. Once done, close non-essential apps to make the interface responsive. Make sure recent apps and split screen controls are visible. Next, tap the split screen handle or blue bar and prepare to drag or tap the app's preview. This first action uncovers the control to end split screen and prevents accidental data loss while you continue. On Android, drag the divider bar all the way to the top or bottom. This closes the other app and returns WhatsApp to full screen. If your device shows a small app menu instead, tap the three dots or app icon in recent apps and choose Exit Split Screen or Full Screen. Make sure to hold briefly. Quick taps sometimes open multitask instead. If the UI is unresponsive, long press the app preview and force stop it in settings. Then reopen WhatsApp to restore normal view. On iPhone models with App Switcher, drag the unwanted apps preview up to dismiss it, and WhatsApp returns to full screen. Make sure you swipe decisively. Once that's done, relaunch WhatsApp if the layout still shows both apps. If the split screen persists, restart the device. This resolves UI glitches. As a final step, update or reinstall WhatsApp. Update first, reinstall only if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, clear cache Android or check for OS gestures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.